Hello students, in this video I am going to explain one probability problem which is based on binomial probability distribution. Okay, so the problem is an urn contains 15 white and 10 black balls. 4 balls are drawn one by one with replacement. Okay, one by one, that means not at a time, not together, one by one we are drawing balls. How many times? 4 times. 4 balls are drawn one by one with replacement. Now, if x denotes the number of white balls among the selected balls, construct probability distribution of x and find probability of x less than equal to 1. So, here we have to prepare the probability distribution table, and also we are asked to find the probability of x less than 1. Okay. Now, look at here. Suppose this is our urn. So, here how many black balls are there? 10 black balls and 15 white. So, 15 white balls are there and 10 black balls are there. Okay. Now, the total ball is 25 ball is there. So, we are drawing one ball. Okay. Then we check the color, and then again we replace it in the urn, and then next draw is made. Okay. So, here the draws are independent because we are doing with replacement. That means all the draws or the trials are independent here because we are using with replacement technique. That means just we check the color and then we again put it in the urn. Okay, so every time we make the draw, the number of balls in this urn will remain constant. Okay, since it is a case of with replacement, so every time we get 25 balls before the drawing. Okay, so this will happen how many times? 4 times. Okay, 4 times we draw ball from here. So, either we get a black ball or white ball in all the cases. So, these are mutually exclusive cases, either this or that. Okay, both cannot happen together. So, that means it satisfies the condition of binomial distribution, because here we repeat the drawing of balls how many times? 4 times. We draw balls one by one 4 times. So, drawing a ball from this urn is a random experiment, and it is a trial and it is repeated 4 times. So, n is 4 here, n is finite. Okay. And p, the probability of success, here x denotes, it is given in the question, x denotes the number of white balls. So, white ball is our success, getting white ball is our success. So, the probability of success is denoted by 15 by 25, because 15 is the number of total white ball is 15 and total number of ball is 25. So, the probability of success, this probability attached with the x, now whatever be the x, according to we write the p. So, because p always denotes the probability of success or probability of this, that means a white ball probability. So, it will be 15 by 25, it is 3 by 5. Okay. So, here n is finite, p is this which is constant for each trial. Okay. That will be the probability of getting white ball in each trial will constant, that is 3 by 5. So, it means it is satisfying the binomial distribution condition, and here each outcomes are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So, we use binomial distribution here, and as you know, the parameter of binomial distribution is n and p. So, if we know these two things, we can easily write the probability distribution function of the binomial distribution. That will help us to find the probability. Okay, because here we are asked to construct the probability distribution of x. Again, here x takes the value, since it is a number of white ball. So, it takes value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 means all black balls. This is a condition where first draw we get black ball, in the second draw also we get black ball, in the third draw also we get black, in the fourth draw also we get black. So, it denotes x is equal to 0 here. Okay, now look at the second case. In the first draw we get white but rest are blacks, that means 1 white and 3 blacks. So it is a case of x is equal to 1, that can be arranged in different way, or while finding the probability, applying the binomial distribution, we will get the answer. Okay, different combination is also included there then. Here again 2 white means 2 white and 2 black, so again that can be arranged in so many different way. Then 3 white and last one is 4 white. 4 white means all cases are white. Okay, white 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 means in each draw we get white ball. So x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever we define x is the number of white ball, we must need to write x values, what are the all possible values of x. So we need to write this because we find the probability against this. We need this to prepare the probability distribution table also. So and also remember whatever be the value of n, that will be the maximum value of x. Okay, because the experiment is repeated 4 times, so the success will be, maximum value of success will be 4. Okay. Now this two things are here. We know that n is 4 and p is 3 by 4, so we can easily write the probability distribution function by using binomial probability mass function, that is p of x is equal to small x is equal to ncx p raised to the power x q raised to the power n minus x. Now here n is 4, so we can write here 4c x, p is 3 by 5, so p is 3 by 5 raised to the power x, q is 1 minus p, so it is 2 by 5. So we write 2 by 5 raised to the power n minus x, where x goes from 0, 1, 2 up to 3, 4. Okay, these are the where x goes from 0, 1 to, sorry, equal sign here, semicolon, then x goes from 0, 1 to up to 4. So this is the probability distribution of this question. Okay, just putting the different value of x, we get the different values of px. So easily you can prepare the table, that is x px table for different values of x, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for different values of x, we can write px by putting here x value 0, we get the px value. After calculation we write here we should write 4 now, because n is 4. Just x value is unknown, so putting x is equal to 0, we get the value of p0, x is equal to 1, we get the value of p1, putting x value 2, we get the value of p2, putting x value 3, we get the value of p3, similarly p4. Okay, so first part is complete. The question is construct probability distribution of x. So this is the probability distribution of x. Okay, first part is complete. Now the second part, look at the second part. Find probability of x less than 1. Less than 1 is, these are greater than 1. So less than only one condition is here, that is x is equal to 0. So just write the value of this, whatever you get the value, that will be the answer of the second part. So hope it is clear. Very simple. Just whenever you get a question, first you try to picturize it. Okay, what it is saying. So here I have drawn a picture, and since it is repeated 4 times, so write down the values whatever given in your question. So here n is given 4 and x is also given, given that x denotes the number of white balls, so you write it first. Okay, n is 4, this will be, so you know what will be the x value, it will be the maximum value up to, it goes the maximum value up to 4. So you write accordingly, x takes value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the probability distribution, because these two are the parameters. So if you know the parameter, you can easily write the probability distribution function. Okay, so here first you have to check it follows binomial distribution or not, because here it satisfies all the condition of binomial distribution. That's why we are using binomial distribution, otherwise not, because here n is finite, p is constant for each trial, because it is a case of with replacement. If it is a case of without replacement, we cannot use, because then trials are not independent. Okay, here it means with replacement means trials are independent, and the probability of success is constant in each trial, and the outcomes, whatever be the outcomes, are mutually exclusive and exhaustive cases. Okay, so we can apply here binomial distribution, because here x follows binomial distribution and satisfy the condition of binomial distribution. So we are using here binomial distribution function to calculate the probability of the different values of x. So hope it is clear. Thank you.